Hello friends, welcome to our website automationcommunity.com. In the last video, we have seen the ladder diagram programming of street light control using PLC based on time. Today we are going to design its HMI. So let's start. Open your DocSoft HMI from here. Click on the new file. For this project, we will select 800 by 480 resolution screen. And here, type the name of your project. Click on next button. And in the for communication, select the driver you have created in your COM.gr and click on finish button. I will draw one image of road over here to show the street light. So select a polygon function from here and draw like this. Right click over here to end your drawing. So you can see one triangle like this is created. Now we can change its color from here. Go to foreground color and select this gray color to show it like road. Now let us increase its size. Now we want to show strips over here. So again click on polygon function and draw a shape like this. And then press the right click to end the shape. So our shape is created. We don't want to change its color. So leave it as it is. Now we want to copy paste this shape. So for that, select this shape. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy paste this shape. So in this way you can create the image of road like this. Now let us change the background color of the screen. So select the screen and from here background color, click over here and select the black color, or you can see any color for your screen. So right now I have created like this. Now first of all we want to display the current time over here. So we need to use display. So I will use the data display. Then from here select the time display and draw a box like this. Here I have kept some space to write the text over here. Now double click this box to format this. Let us say we want to change its background color. I want to keep yellow over here. And its style also we can change from here. So right now we will leave it as sunken only and change its border color like this. Here you can see the format. We want this format only, hour, minute and second. So click OK. And our box, our time display is created. So when we will do simulation, it will do the current time of our computer. Now similarly, we want 3 inputs from user, hour, minute and second for on time. So click on the input box here and we will select numeric entry. Now draw a box like this. Adjust it and double click over it to format this. So first of all, let us change its shape to standard. Now its background color to yellow. You can select any color as per your wish. And I will change its border color to white. The important thing is to write the address over here. So as you remember, we have used D11, 12 and 13 for on time. Particularly D11 for storing our hour value. So enter this and click OK. Now right click over here and select the duplicate button. We want 3 same inputs like this. So here I will write 3 and I want one row only. So here I will select 1 and the spacing between them should be, say for example, 10 and click OK. We want in horizontal direction only. So click OK. You can see 3 inputs are created with the spacing of 10 in horizontal direction. And its address you can see from here. Its address is D12, which is the minute value programmed in our ladder programming, and this is the D13, which is also the second value programmed in our ladder programming. So address are given automatically. Similarly, these inputs we will create for off time. So I will just drag your cursor like this, copy paste this by Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and drag it over here. We need to change its address. So first of all, select this box, click over here and change it to D14. Similarly here, select this and change its address to D15 and select this to change its address to D16, because D14, D15 and D16 are the hour, minute and second values that we have programmed in ladder programming for off time. So these are the 6 inputs from user. Now here I want to draw one main on-off switch. So for that, select buttons and select the maintain button and draw a box like this. Double click over here. First of all, we will change its shape to round and its background color to black. Now give its address. We have connected on-off switch at X0 position, so click enter. And for off condition, we want to show one image, so go to pictures and select this library, define switch to state. Scroll down to bottom and you will see this image. We are going to use this switch. So for off condition, select this image. Let us select stretch all and click. Now similarly we want to give image for on condition, so select one. Again change its background color to black. Go to pictures tab, select the same library, define switch to state, and for on condition we will use this image and again click to stretch all over here. Now finally click OK. So our button is created and you can see button will be appear like this. Finally, we want to show our outputs in form of street lights. So that image is not inbuilt available in HMI. We have to add our own images by going to options menu, click pictures bank, and by clicking this icon, you can select your folder in which you have saved your own images. Then your folder will appear over here and you can preview your images like this. After that, close this box. So now my images are added. So now to show outputs, I will just select this indicator and select multi-state indicator and draw a box like this over here. Double click over it, change its address to Y0 and click enter. Now we want to show image for this. So go to pictures bank and at the last of this you will see your own folder that you have added through picture bank. And here my images are loading. So I will use this image for off condition of street lights. Click OK. If you can't see your image properly over here, click on stretch all. Now your image will be visible properly. Let us change its background color to black and here fixed. So you can see this border has become black. Similarly for on condition, we want to show one image. So again go to your folder and select this as on condition of our street light. Again select stretch all and change the color to black, and here fixed. So you can see this border has become black, and click OK button. So you can see our output is created. Now I want to show more images like this. So just copy paste this. So in this way the street lights are created. So you can see the off and on state of our project from here. When the street light will be on, it will appear like this, and main switch will appear like this in on state. And when the switch is off, street lights will be off. You can see from here. Still, we need to add text to these boxes. So let us select this text box and draw a box like this. Double click over it. Change its background color to black so that it matches with background color and our text will appear like transparent. Click OK. Now go to text. Right over here, current time. From here you can format your text, like right now I want align left only. You can make it bold, increase its size, and also change its color. So here let us say we will use green color. Click OK. You can see your preview over here. If you want, we can make it center align and click OK. So you can see our text is created. Similarly, here and here we want to insert a text. So just copy paste this and let us change this. So first of all change its alignment from here. Now double click over it, go to text, and here we will write input turn on time in hour, minute and second format, and click OK over here. Let us adjust this box. So just copy paste this. Let us delete this and copy paste this only. Here we will just write off and remaining things will be same. So just click OK. So you can see our HMI designing is completed. Here we have written input turn on time, which are stored in D11, 12 and D13 registers. Here we have written input turn off time, which will be stored in D14, 15 and D16 registers. This will show the current time. This is the main switch to make the system on off, as it is visible properly that it is switched, so no need to add text over here. And this is also understandable that these are the outputs. So here our HMI designing is completed. Now let us do simulation. So first of all, open your data diagram programming in ISP Soft. I have already kept it open. Now from here open your COM/GR and select your driver and click start button. I have already started my simulator. So just close this. Compile this project from here. As there are no errors and warnings, close this box and click on download button and click transfer. So our code is transferring to our simulator. Now just close this and click on online mode and press the run button. Click yes and you can see our simulator is in run state. Don't forget to on this bit. This is on for simulation purpose. Now again open your Dopsoft HMI and click to offline simulation from here. So friends, as you can see, my HMI screen has loaded. Let me adjust it to here. From here you can see the current time, which you can see from here also. My PC time is also 12:26 and you can see over here also. Now let me on the process. So you can see my system is on, but my lights are not on because I haven't given turn on time. So first of all, in the hour of input turn on time, let me write 12 over here because I want to turn on it now only. Now in the minutes, right now it is 27, so let us give 28 over here. And in the seconds, let us say 5 seconds and press enter. So you can see over here in our data register D11, 12 and 13, these values are stored which are given from HMI. Now at the instant when this both time will become equal, right now you can see M0 is on because our input time is greater than the current time, so M0 is on. When this both time will become equal, M1 will become on and it will make our lights on. So let us wait. Here you can see both time has become equal. M0 is off, M1 was on. Right now our current time is greater than input time, so M2 will be on, but that is not useful in our case. You can see when the both time become equal, lights become on. It will remain on until the off time and current time is equal. So now let us write off time over here. So again in the hours, I will write 12 because now only I want to make it turn off. Here there is already 28 and 44 seconds. So let us write here 29 minutes and here we will write 10 seconds and press enter. So you can see over here this time data has stored in D14, 15 and 16 registers. Now when this time will become equal to this time, lights will be off. So let us see. You can see lights are off because this time has become equal to this. So you can check by increasing this time and verify our project. Right now for simulation purpose, I have only kept it on for 1 minute or lesser than that. Similarly, let us verify these functions. So again, first of all, here I will change it to off time should be greater than current time, and here I will change it to and enter. So again, let me on this lights to verify this code. So you can see our lights are on, but if I off the main switch, lights are off. You can see I have said you earlier, there are two ways to switch off the lights. One is by auto programming and another is through this manual switch. Because for example, if you want to do maintenance or any other reasons and we want to turn off the lights manually, then you can manually turn off the lights from here. But if you want to turn on lights, then there is only one way, that is the auto mode only. So friends, this was all about our project street light control using PLC. So if you want to learn more examples like this, just like and subscribe our YouTube channel automationcommunity.com.